All right, big news coming in on state government versus Bengal governor escalates with West Bengal government moving the Supreme Court against the governor. Mamata Banerjee government says assent to 8 bills withheld by the governor. He mentioned before the Chief Justice of India, D.Y. Chandrachud, the state of West Bengal approached the Supreme Court against the governor for withholding approvals on 8 bills. Advocate on record, Astha Sharma, mentioned the matter for urgent hearing before the Chief Justice of India, D.Y. Chandrachud, contending that governor's refusal to give assent to the bills without stating any reason for it was contrary to the mandate of Article 200 of the Constitution. CJI has asked the Council to send an email and he'll look into this matter. According to the Article 200, assent to bills when a bill has been passed by the Legislative Assembly of a state, in case of a state having a legislative council, has been passed by both houses of the legislature of the state, it shall be presented to the governor. The governor then shall declare either that he assents to the bill or that he's withheld approval therefore, or that he reserves the bill for consideration of the President. But none of that has been done. That there's been no response from the governor on 8 bills presented by the state government of West Bengal for approval. Kanu Sharda joining us live for more on that. Kanu, has the governor really responded to these allegations? Because it's been brewing for quite some time. West Bengal government now approaching the Supreme Court for relief.
Yes, Nabila, the West Bengal government has filed a petition before the Supreme Court saying that, the Governor Ananda Bose has kept 8 important bills before him and is not giving assent to it. Under Article 200 of the Constitution, it is mandatory for any governor to give assent when the same has been passed by the by the legislature in the Legislative Assembly. So this is what the petition is precisely saying. Some of the bills that are pending are West Bengal University's law amendment, West Bengal University of Animal and Fishery, West Bengal Private Universities law, and these kind of laws which are very, very important. West Bengal government is contending before the Supreme Court that these laws, these bills are very, very important for the for the citizens of the state, and that is why they have approached the Supreme Court, and all they are seeking is an urgent listing, because the petition was filed in the month of April only, but since it didn't get listed so far, so the advocate mentioned today this before the Chief Justice of India. The Chief Justice of India had said that we will fix a date for early hearing. So the West Bengal versus governor comes back into the Supreme Court now for some time. This is after the fact that there are several other states which have had the similar battle of governors, because state of Tamil Nadu has also approached the Supreme Court in the similar case, like governor was not clearing the bills, and state of Punjab has also come to the Supreme Court. So Supreme Court has already made it very, very clear in those cases also that governor will have to act in the aid and advice of the Council of Ministers only. So we are expecting a similar kind of relief in the West Bengal case also.
Thanks very much, Kanu, for joining us.